Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. These are the important articles for June 26th to be read in the Hindu newspaper. The first article obviously is Pakistan to remain on FATF grey list. This is important for both prelims and mains perspective. The next article is IT Minister slams Twitter for blocking his account, taking arbitrary action. This article is particularly important to just get an update on what is the situation between Indian government and Twitter. For prelims, it's not important. For mains, also, it is not important. If it may leads to action, that part is important, but this is not that important. The next article that is important is third COVID-19 wave unlikely to be as severe as second. This is important to understand how modeling works and what is the importance of modeling in predicting future pandemics. This is absolutely necessary for mains answer writing as a way to suggest how to prevent future pandemics from happening or how to better prepare ourselves for future pandemic. You have to understand this article for mains answer writing perspective. The next article is directly we are going to editorial because there isn't much in terms of news from Delhi and surrounding areas. Because editorial you have really good articles today. The first editorial that you have to do or read today is prepare the ground for a Naya Kashmir. This is to understand what is the current dilemma in Kashmir and how Indian government must progress in the future. Because it talks about empowering youth and enabling youth of Jammu and Kashmir to take a more proactive role in development of Kashmir and overall development of India. And you have to, this article doesn't balance properly the political aspect of it, but nonetheless the core concept of using youth to improve situation in Kashmir is a good idea. It's for mains answer writing perspective. Again, in a related article, the future state is related to the statehood or restoration of statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. You get an understanding of what are the complexities involved in. Again, for mains answer writing, this is important. The next article is relevant advice for healthcare givers, mothers to be. This is very important from the perspective of women empowerment and women health in India. You read this article, you get certain idea as to what are the challenges involved in giving treatment to women, particularly pregnant women during this pandemic time. This is again a good answer to understand what is the current status and what should be the way forward in helping mothers to be and caregivers also. Now moving to the next article. In the news, page number 8, IAC, that is Indigenous Aircraft Carrier INS Vikrant, will be commissioned next year according to our Defense Minister. The next article that you have to read is Carrier will be the Navy's most potent platform. You have to read both of these articles in tandem to give an understanding of what the government of India and Indian Navy are looking to get out of our aircraft carrier and what was the need for developing a indigenous aircraft carrier. This is for prelims purposes. You have to know what it is. The next article that you have to read today is publishers give details under ethics code. You read this article for prelims perspective to understand what is the ethics codes and the rules and regulations associated with it. The next article that you have to read is UP ranked best under smart cities mission. Again, it's a prelims related. You have to read this to know what smart city mission is. This is a prelims article. Mains no bearing. The next article that you have to read in this page is India politicizing FATF process Pakistan. You have to read this article to get a better understanding of what Pakistan is thinking in terms to get an overall picture of what is the situation in Pakistan regarding the FATF grey list thing. So that's it, and you also get an idea of what is the economic situation of Pakistan and what is the impact of the FATF grey list on is having on Pakistan economy. That's a good article to read. Moving on to the next article, India China plan 12th round of talks on Ladakh standoff. This is important in terms of knowing the development of the current situation in LAC in Ladakh. From that perspective, you have to know what is going on there. The next article that you have to read is Afghan exit by US may bring infiltrators army. This article you have to read in terms of answer writing for mains to get a point as to if and when a question is asked regarding the implications of troop withdrawal or implications of Afghanistan situation, India's situation in Afghanistan, you get a good point that there might be uptick in terror activities because terrorists are being pushed by Taliban into India through Pakistan. From that perspective, it is very good. So President and First Lady embark on special train, right? This is again a small prelims related thing. You need to know what the train is and what are the procedures there, just so that in state exams sometimes they might ask regarding these kinds of questions. Again, in an absolutely prelims related question, DRDO tests enhanced range of Pinaka rocket and then other rocket which is 122 rocket. You need to know what is what and what was the purpose that is it was developed for. Apart from that, nothing is significant. Moving on to the next article, India records nearly 50 Delta plus variant cases. You need to understand what is 50, what are the 50 cases means, implications, what is Delta plus variant, and you have to track it so that you have a better understanding. The next is Delhi government exaggerated oxygen needs by 4 times. Again, this is a report. What is the report and who constituted the report? That's it. This is important in terms of interlinking health to pollution. So this article is again for answer writing. This will help you in getting some data as to how to pad or support your arguments that pollution is the root cause of large scale health crisis in India in order to the COVID-19 pandemic. So the next article that you have to read is in World, which is very interesting because Ghani to meet Biden as US exit looms. You need to understand in context of Afghanistan. This is the best to get an understanding of what is at stake in Afghanistan and how Ghani is compromised without the help of American government or American troops in Afghanistan. The second article that you have to give a lot of importance is to Tibet gets first bullet train link Lhasa to Indian border. Now this article you have to read in terms of strategical importance because China has been taking up a lot of infrastructure activity bordering India, particularly bordering the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Remember, they don't recognize Arunachal Pradesh as an integral part of India. They still claim it to be their own, the entire state, not a small part of it. So you need to understand where the projects are coming up and what is the significance of this project, both for prelims in sense that what is the implications of it. For mains answer writing, again you have to read this article. So moving on to the economy business aspect of it, the most important article is government can cut fuel cess by 4.5 rupees. Again, this is you have to read it in terms of two things. One is the economic situation of India right now, how hard hitting the high fuel prices is on the economy and the household income, spending, sorry, not income. And you have to read what RBI thinks about this high cess rate, and this article you can help in argument making an argument to bring fuel under GST regime. The next article that you have to read is COVID-19 relief up to 10 lakhs to be tax free for victim families. Again, this is in terms of relief being provided to victims of COVID-19. Again, this is a mains kind mix of mains and prelims answer. So these are the important articles that you have to read for today in the Hindu newspaper. Today it's a heavily prelims skewed articles. You have to get to the fine points and make sure notes. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good day. Namaste.